Hi guys, so this video will be about how to rationalize denominator. So rationalization, this is the process of removing the radical sign of the denominator. So in here, we can also apply this one if we're going to divide radicals. Now the rules is we're going to multiply the top and bottom by a number that can get rid of that radical. So we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by a number that can make the denominator free from radicals. So number 1, 3 times the square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. So one of the techniques will be you're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the same denominator. So in here we have square root of 3, so we're going to multiply this one to square root of 3. So the reason that you're going to multiply this one with square root of 3 is that if you're going to multiply this 2, it will make the denominator a perfect square, and now we can eliminate the radical sign. So 3 times square root of 2 times square root of 3, that will be equal to 3 times the square root of 2 times 3, 6. Then square root of 3 times square root of 3, that will be square root of 9, and square root of 9 is 3. Now we have here 3 in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. So we can just cancel this out. So the answer here will be square root of 6. Okay, number 2. 2 divided by cube root of 3. Since this is cube root, so we're going to multiply in the numerator and denominator a number that can make the denominator here a perfect cube. So that number will be cube root of 9. It's because if we're going to multiply 3 and 9, that will be 27, and 27 is a perfect cube. So cube root of 9, so this is equal to 2 times the cube root of 9 divided by cube root of 3 times cube root of 9, this is cube root of 27. Now this is 2 times the cube root of 9. Then cube root of 27 is 3. So your answer here will be 2 times cube root of 9 divided by 3. Then for number 3, we have here a divisor, which is a binomial. So what you're going to do here is you're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. When you say conjugate, this is conjugate. So if we're going to have here 2 plus square root of 2, conjugate means the opposite sign. So conjugate of 2 plus square root of 2 will be 2 minus square root of 2. So we're going to multiply the numerator times 2 minus square root of 2 and the denominator with the same number. So multiplying the 2, so 4 times 2 will be 8. Then 4 times negative square root of 2, that will be negative 4 times square root of 2. Then 2 times 2 will be 4. Then 2 times square root of negative square root of 2 is negative 2 times square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times 2, that will be plus 2 times square root of 2. Then square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, that will be negative square root of 4. So negative square root of 4 is negative 2. Then this is 0 here. So you can just have this one as 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Then you can have this one as 8 minus 4 times square root of 2. Then this is divided by 2, and the numerators are divisible by 2. So you can just have your answer as 8 divided by 2, 4. The negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. So 4 minus 2 times the square root of 2. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.